Alrighty everybody, welcome to Skill Up the Engine. Today we got here another video from one of the most popular first-person shooter ever made, Counter-Strike Global Offensive. And today I would like to show you all of the smokes that you should know on map, the Ancient. Okay, so let's go for it. Firstly, let's say that you want to smoke this entry on the A side. For this you can come into the tunnel, you will stand right here into the corner towards the stone. And then, as you can see this roof window, you will aim right here on the place where the biggest hole from the leaves is and left side from the tree actually. So here into the middle, you'll hold the smoke and just throw. And as you can see, perfect smoke for this exit. Okay, now let's say that you want to smoke this exit on the A side, so you can come simply here in front of the tunnel. You will stand right between those two stones on the floor, and then as you can see here, those stones, you will aim right between and in the middle between those last two stones at the edge. So like here, and you will jump throw. As you can see, even this exit is smoked, and from the second side there is actually nothing to see again. Okay, and if you want to block both of the exits with one smoke, you can throw it in this way. So at the start of the round, again, when you are running out from the tunnel, you will line yourself up towards the wall in between those two sides of the stone, so in the middle of the stone. And then as you can see those like signs on the wall, so first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, you will aim at the bottom of the sixth and just throw. So like this, and just throw. In the process you will learn to which place you need to throw it. And as you can see, the middle is smoked, and from the inside actually you cannot see anything outside. So yeah, with one smoke you can actually block both of the exits at the same time. Okay, next, let's say that you want to smoke this way from the city. So for this you can come here in front of the tunnel again. You will stand here to the corner towards this leaves, whatever. So here to the corner as much as you can, and then you will aim right here at the bottom of this plant, or you can go top from this line till you will hit the concrete, and you will jump through like this. And as you can see, the city is cut off by the smoke. Let's say that you don't want to throw smoke so deep on the city, but more like to this area. For this, when you are running out from the tunnel, you will just line yourself up with the wall with this line, and you will just aim at the top left side of the roof and just throw the smoke. And as you can see, the perfect smoke for the city, and there is actually no gap on either the side. Another way how you can smoke backside A is here from the mid entrance towards the A tunnel. So you will come here towards the corner, and then you will aim here right at the corner of this stone, like here, and just throw. And as you can see, again, the perfect smoke towards the backside A. Now I'm going to show you the smoke for the mid entrance. So for this, simply come here as you are running from the T-spawn. You will come here over the second dot on the floor, and then as you can see this darker part of the concrete, you will go to the right side from it, theoretically where the those tree is. So right here, and just throw. And as you can see, the perfect mid smoke. Similar smoke you can throw from the right side of the mid as well. So for this, simply come here to the corner of the box, and then you will aim almost at the corner of the building, but a little bit to the right side and top. So go like this, little bit right side, top, and just throw. And as you can see, perfectly centered smoke at the mid entrance. Okay, now I'm going to show you smoke for the entrance towards the A tunnels from the mid. So you can throw it from this part of the map. You can line up actually with the line on the floor right here, and then you will aim at this, like, let's say T, so right at the cross, and just throw it. And as you can see, pretty easy and nice smoke towards the mid tunnel. Or similar smoke you can throw from similar position, but you will come towards those right side of the steel, so where the holes are, and then you will aim, as you can see, this like curved stone, so a little bit to the left from it, and just throw. And as you can see, another good smoke for the mid tunnels, and there is actually no gap on either side again. Now let's say game just started and you want to smoke mid as fast as possible, so you can come here towards the wall, you will line up, and then you will aim, as you can see, those bigger parts of the holes towards the doors, you know. So we will aim right here at this part of the doors and just jump through. And as you can see, the perfectly centered smoke in the middle. If you want to smoke entrance towards the A tunnel from the T spawn, you can come here towards this B sign, right at this screw or whatever, and you will aim again at the same spot and just jump through. And as you can see, the entrance to A tunnels is smoked. And actually there is no gap on either of the sides. Okay, now let's say that you want to smoke tunnels through this roof window from the T spawn almost. So for this, simply come here, line up towards this wall, right to the edge, and then you will aim at the end of this leaf and just jump through. And as you can see, tunnel is smoked. Now let's say that you want to smoke entrance towards A tunnels from this part of the map, so simply come here towards this curve as it's dividing, so line up, and then you will aim at the top, as you can see the tree, so as there are leaves, and like also there, you will aim at those ones, so not those totally at the top of the tree, but those here, and you will just throw. Voila, entrance towards A tunnels is again smoked. If you want to smoke back of side B, you can simply come here to the corner in front of the gate, and then you will aim here or at the bottom of the leaf or at the top left corner of this stone, so it depends on you, and then you will just jump through. As you can see, backside of B is smoked and there are actually no gaps. Another smoke I'm going to show you is for these exits from the B tunnels, but this you can actually throw in a really similar way as you threw the previous one. So stay here into the corner, and then as you can see those four like squares above, so you will aim to the top right corner of the topest one, like here, and you will jump through. As you can see, the tunnel is perfectly smoked. Another way how you can smoke the entry towards the B tunnels is here from the side of the gate. So where you simply come here to the edge of those sprint stones versus whatever stones, and then you will aim at the top of this building, but a little bit to the right actually, where it's dividing again, so like here, and you will just throw. And as you can see, again perfect smoke for the B tunnel entrance. Okay, and if you want to smoke right side of backside B, you can come again here to this corner and you will aim at the bottom of whatever it is. So you will aim at the bottom and you will jump through like this. As you can see, the right side is smoked. There is actually no gaps. Another way how you can smoke backside B is from here. So you will stand on the curb towards the wall, and then you will aim, as you can see here, those leaves. So you will aim at the top of them and just throw. And as you can see, again, perfect smoke at the backside B. Okay, now I'm going to show you some city smokes as well. So first of all, let's say that you want to smoke the right side of a tunnels. So you can come here towards the wall and you will aim to the top of the, like, let's say you are coming up from this part of the building till you will hit the crown of the tree, like here, and just throw. And as you can see, nice and easy smoke right in the middle of the tunnel. Now let's say that you are covering B side, you want to smoke doors, but you don't want to peek it actually, so you can come here, line with the side of the stone, and then you will aim at the left bottom of this stone right here and just throw. As you can see, nice and easy smoke at the doors. Now let's say that you want again smoke doors, but a little bit faster. So as you are coming B, you will just line up, so those stones will cover the right stones, those 3 right stones, and you will just slightly run through towards those stones on the wall. So that is, you will just come B, line up, slightly run through, and as you can see, perfect smoke at the doors again. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video. I really hope I helped you, or that I learned you something you didn't know. If you want to see more tutorial videos on this channel, hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe, or you can join our membership program and become one of these killers, what will unlock you multiple perks on the channel, as special loyalty badges, access to member-only community posts, and also it will support our channel in a huge way. Also, you can follow us on our socials, where you can find videos, info about new videos, and short tutorial posts as well. Okay, but now that's really all. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.